The Photoshop is showing a VCRUNTIME140.dll error. Don't worry, this is usually a Visual C++ runtime issue, and in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the safest way to repair the missing DLL problem, and I'll also show you what to do if the error still doesn't go away after the first fix. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Visual C++ downloads page. This is where you can get the official Microsoft Runtime files that Photoshop needs to run properly. Once the page loads, download both versions, the X64 file and the X86 file. The files are usually named something like vc_redist.x64.exe and vc_redist.x86.exe. Even if your computer is 64-bit, it's important to download both because different apps and components may depend on either version. After both downloads finish, open the X64 Installer first. When the setup window appears, follow the prompts. If you see a repair option, click Repair. If you don't see Repair, choose Install and let Windows complete the process. This step refreshes the Visual C++ components that Photoshop may be missing. Once that finishes, run the X86 installer and do the same thing. Again, if repair is available, use it. If not, click Install. Give both installers a few moments to complete and make sure there are no error messages during setup. After both installations are done, restart your computer. This restart is important because Windows needs to reload the runtime files and apply the changes fully. Once your PC starts back up, open Photoshop again and check whether the VCRUNTIME140.dll error is gone. In many cases, that is enough to fix the problem. But if Photoshop still shows the same error, the next step is to check for corrupted system files. To do that, open the Windows command prompt as an administrator. You can do this by searching for command prompt in the Start menu, right-clicking it and choosing Run as Administrator. When the black window opens, type sfc/scannow and press Enter. This command tells Windows to scan your system for missing or damaged files and automatically repair them if possible. The scan can take some time, so let it finish completely. If Windows finds problems, it will attempt to fix them for you. After the scan is complete, restart your computer one more time and launch Photoshop again. At this point, the VCRUNTIME140.dll error should be resolved in most situations. If it still appears, the issue may be related to a larger Windows or Photoshop installation problem. But for most users, reinstalling the Microsoft Visual C++ packages and running sfc/scannow is the quickest and most reliable solution. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with any other Photoshop error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.